Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another unboxing video, and I've got some more of my favorite Hong Kong double-decker buses. In today's lineup, they're all made by Tiny HK, like I mentioned in my last video, Tiny Hong Kong, and they're all 1:210 scale. I've got a KMB ADL Enviro 500 MMC. Then I've got a Dennis Trident Alexander Airport Coach. Then I've got a LWB Volvo Olympian. Then I've got a KMB Volvo B9TL Wright. And the last one is an exclusive CMB Olympian 11M bus. That's completely covered in chrome, guys, with a bit of a blue accents and highlights here and there. We'll get to it in the end. I'll start off with the first one. Is this beautiful KMB ADL Enviro 500 MMC by Tiny HK. Take a look at this bus, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. It's got KMB on the side. It's got a beautiful Eon style decals. Route number 214, KMB on the front, a license plate, side mirrors. I'm guessing that's Hong Kong skyline. Heartbeat of the city. On this side there's nothing, just the KMB logo and some silver or chrome accents. The back you got beautiful painted tail lights, reverse lights, blinkers, license plate, and the route number again, 214. It's looking fantastic, guys. Quite loving it. Next one is this beautiful Dennis Trident Alexander Airport Coach. Looks pretty good, guys. I'm loving the colors on this bus, guys. They've got cherry red, some sort of pink or magenta pink, and yellow, and beautiful purple interior seats inside. Not a lot of detailing or decals, but this one's an A12. It's telling us it's a to and fro from the city to the airport. I'm loving the front. Painted headlights, license plate. I think that's Cantonese, if I'm correct, or Mandarin. Always get confused what they speak in mainland China and then in Hong Kong. Let's just go with Cantonese, guys. It's an airport route, A12. They could have used a little bit of details or decals, like a little tiny airplane or whatever, because it's an airport bus. Because I've got another one that's got that, but anyway. Painted tail lights, but the fact that the bus is in red, it kind of blended in. Reverse lights, A12, and a license plate up the top. Pretty neat finishes, guys. I'm loving this brand, Tiny HK. They also do other vehicles as well, like construction vehicles, service vehicles. I've got a few police vehicles as well, but it's for another day, guys. All right. Okay, next up is this LWB Volvo Olympian. Okay, that's an Airbus too. Goes to the airport, and look at that, guys. A little tiny plane on the side. All right, let's get him out of the pack. Look at this beauty, guys. Airbus, plenty of stuff in Cantonese. Longwin Bus Co Limited, KMB Group. It's got a little tiny plane on the side. Beautiful red, white, and orange color scheme. Nothing on the roof. The route is E31 CN1 Ferry Terminal. It's got Vipers going on the windscreen. Everything is painted, guys. It's got a tiny license plate in the middle there. Painted headlights. The exact livery on this side as well. Painted taillights, reverse lights, route E31, license plate. Excellent, guys. Okay, next one is this beautiful KMB Volvo B9TL Right Hong Kong bus, tiny HK. Looking good, guys. Another magnificent release, guys, by Tiny HK, KWB or KMB. It's got this the Kowloon Motor Bus Corporation Limited, 1939. The route is N241. It's some sort of 80th anniversary going on the side. Beautiful decal, guys. That's a much bigger writing there, guys. It's saying Chung Wang, N241. License plate, painted headlights. Nothing on the roof. More decals on the side. I'm guessing it's 80th anniversary of KMB, guys. 1933, sorry, I thought it was 1939. It's way too small. Back's looking good as well. Route number, license plate, painted headlights, sorry, tail lights, blinkers, reverse lights, plastic base. Superb, guys. Okay, the last one in today's unboxing video, guys, is a CMB Olympian 11M bus, member exclusive. This one looks immaculate, guys. Just wait till you guys see it. Take a look at this bus, guys. Plenty of chrome with blue highlights. Route 300. China Motor Bus. That's what CMB stands for. Okay, good to know, guys. Route 300. Prince Edward. It's got painted headlights, license plate, wipers on the windscreen. Nothing on the roof. Painted tail lights, blinkers, and reverse lights. It's got the license plate, the route number on the back. Nothing a lot going on the sides, but I was quite intrigued and mesmerized by this bus. I had to get it, guys. Alright guys, those are the buses we had to look at today's unboxing video. The first one was a KMB ADL Enviro 500 MMC. Second one was a Dennis Trident Alexander Airport Coach. The third was a LWB Volvo Olympian. The fourth was another Volvo, but this one's a KMB Volvo B9TL Right. And the last one, the best one, was a CMB Olympian 11M bus. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, stay blessed. God bless you all, and I shall catch you in my next unboxing video. Thanks for watching, guys.